Digga, 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 digga. Hey, squirrel. Well, you are not afraid of people, are you? Here, here, come closer. I'm not even zooming. You are literally a foot away from me.
They're looking for a nut.
Yeah. And they are not afraid of people.
They probably get fed all
Here, what if I put my camera down? Here you go, squirrel. Much like Broadway at the beach, you can purchase fish food and feed the fish here. But keep in mind that there are alligators that live in this pond. That's not a joke. That's legitimate. There are alligators, so be careful. Also, unlike Broadway at the beach, these are floating bridges. So we are right on top of the water. And like I just said, like the sign says, beware of alligators. Oh, what a dramatic opening to nothing. This is one of the infamous surf shops in this area. Ron John's. Get your surf equipment, skate equipment, all that good stuff. Also, if you talk to them, you'll find good skate spots, I'm sure. One thing about Myrtle Beach, as someone who was a skate person in my younger days, this is a very flat community, a very flat town, not a lot of good places to skate. All this is new. You can tell just by looking at it. So they've done a little bit of upgrading here at Barefoot Landing, like these lamps, plantings. That's because, for those of you who are familiar with Myrtle Beach, the Burroughs and Chapin Company, the group that owns Broadway at the Beach and operates it, bought this entirety of Barefoot Landing recently, and they've been doing some adjustments, things like this nice little ADA ramp, little aesthetic modifications, and they've also brought in a couple of new tenants, so they really breathed some life into Barefoot Landing for the better, honestly. Here's a good example. This looks like a brand new building. I don't know if it's just been, I don't know if the siding's just new or what, but this appears to be new construction. I think I just answered my question. It looks like part of the refurbishment is retheming this area. All these buildings have new siding on them. Yeah, I do get an island vibe. We got the different colors on the doors. You got the natural wood on the siding. Yeah, even the windows are multicolored, very Caribbean style.
the Caribbean.
Amphibian. Whoa, that's a big hat. That's like a hat the Hulk would wear. What's up, birds? Just chilling, waiting for someone to spill some fish food. You guys look like you probably eat well. How about this? Can I get close to you? Are you gonna run away? Let's see how close we can get. I'm your friend. You can trust me. Whoa! Oh! All right, bye. Not just in the mall. You can get an Auntie Anne's right here. Get some pretzels. All right, here we go. Here's something new. Do not enter a construction zone. Wonder what this is gonna be. I don't see any signage anywhere that indicates what it's going to be, but ooh, that's a nice chimney building. They've really done a nice job cleaning up this area and making it look better. That's a Christmas mouse, by the way. I've got a tour of the Christmas mouse in Myrtle Beach. I'll put a link to it either up here or down there. But I don't know what this is. Comment down below. Let me know if you know what this is. I believe, if I remember correctly, there was a Ultimate California Pizza, either here or over here, a little while ago. So maybe that's what this is going to be.
California Pizza's right there.
Oh, is it?
The next building.
It's the next one over? Okay, I'm sorry, that's the California Pizza. So that's still there. So I don't know what this is gonna be. No, Lulu's is over yonder. We'll get there in a few minutes. You know who would have loved this shop? Prince. If you're looking for some theater action, Alabama Theater is right over there. You can kind of see the cupola sticking up over there. But you could park here, shop around, and then go see a show. I do like me a Christmas shop. It's not open at the moment. We're here kind of early. That way there's not a lot of people walking around, and that just keeps the awkward factor down. I don't like sticking my camera in people's faces that don't want to be filmed. Here we go. Here's the California pizza I was talking about. Outdoor seating, indoor as well. I will say, of the local pizza places, California pizza is pretty good. They get a thumbs up from me. I've had a lot of people ask where's a good bar or like college spot. I hear a lot of good things about Bully's, this bar right here. Personally, never been inside of it. It's not my kind of venue, but other people say it's good, so you might want to give it a shot if that's what you're looking for. And we have a carousel here. Ooh, it's a little weathered. That's okay. I won't hold it against it. Similar to what they're doing at Broadway at the beach, they have a couple of carnival style rides over here, kiddie rides that you can purchase tickets for. Not sure what the ticket prices are, but it's an option if you've got little ones that like that sort of thing. Also, a good photo opportunity here with a blue marlin. That reminds me, there was an old NES game called Blue Marlin that I loved. If any of you remember that, comment down below. That game was awesome. Here you go. This is what I was talking about. The excitement is building. So there's a lot of new stuff going on here. There's a little artist rendering of Lulu's. If I pan over here, there's Lulu's right over there. What else we got? Flying fish. Looks like they're gonna clean up the waterfront. There we go. Myrtle Beach Brewing. That's gonna look nice. I'm looking forward to that. Little TLC to Barefoot Landing. And in case you're not familiar with this place, we are here. Let's get a closer look at Lulu's. Looks like they filled in a large portion of this lake. That's very interesting. That's Lulu's back there. Looks like it's well on its way. We got some fallen trees. It's pretty. But that is going to be one of the new Keystone restaurants for Barefoot. I'm not sure what they're going to do with this new space they filled in. Yeah, this is really interesting. Got some new construction over here, some renovation over there. This place is really changing. I'll have to come back when it's all done, walk through, show everybody what's new. See if I can get a closer look at Lulu's. I'm trying to zoom in here. That's an active construction site, so I don't want to get too close. It almost looks like, zoom in a little closer here, there's some piers being installed, or have been installed right here. Some piles, rather. I wonder if those piles indicate some sort of construction that's going to be over the water here, because if I come over here, all these buildings are over the water. They're all constructed over it. So now I'm getting this vibe that maybe they're going to extend some over here as well. Time will tell. We'll have to come back and check it out. This is a little booth that they actually have small tigers and whatnot, and you can go in there and pet them and get your photo with them. I don't think there's any in there right now, but there you go. How cute is that? Get your picture taken with some tigers and a cute little photo op. I feel like, again, this is either new construction or they just refurbished the exterior of an existing building. This looks nice. I like this vibe. The brick with the old gas style lights. Got this stone wall over here. Whoa, we got another crazy squirrel. Is that Billy Bob? Billy Bob, what's up? Hey, come here, come back. He's got an important date.
Is he late?
He's late, he's late. The joke's on you, Batman. Those are always neat shops to go into.